Hey everyone, is TreeSize free refusing to open on your Windows computer? Don't worry, this is a fairly common issue, and in most cases it's easy to fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can help get TreeSize free working again. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. It may sound simple, but a restart can clear temporary system issues that prevent applications from launching. Once Windows starts again, try opening TreeSize free before moving on to the next step. Next, right-click the TreeSize free shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If the issue is related to Windows permissions, launching the program with administrator privileges may solve the problem. If TreeSize free still won't open, check whether Windows Security or another antivirus program has blocked it. Open your security software and review any recent quarantine or protection notifications. If TreeSize free was mistakenly blocked, restore it and try launching the application again. If the problem continues, uninstall TreeSize free from Windows settings, then download the latest version from the official Jam software website and install it again. I mean, reinstalling replaces missing or damaged program files that could be causing the issue. Now open Windows Update and install any available updates. An outdated version of Windows can sometimes cause compatibility issues with newer applications. After updating, restart your computer and try opening TreeSize free once more. If TreeSize free still doesn't open, you can check Windows Event Viewer for application error messages. These logs may provide more details about why the program is failing to launch, which can be helpful if you need additional troubleshooting or support. And that's it. One of these troubleshooting steps will resolve most TreeSize free startup issues. If the problem still continues, consider contacting Jam software support with the error details from Event Viewer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.